Okay, I'm going to see if I can show y'all how I do the crackle stamping. These are 2 pieces that I've got painted up, and they, should be about dry enough to do it on. But I'm going to quickly show you what I did to get the book page, which is what's on both of these. This one's just had a light stain. This one I left plain. Onto the wood pieces. Just started out as a plain wood piece. I've stained the wood pieces. Once they were dry, lay the shape over the book page, trace it out, and glue it on. And I just used some matte medium to actually adhere it, and then brushed a light coat of matte medium over the top so that it lets me have some workable time on the surface and doesn't peel up or try to peel it back off the wood. Any of the excess hanging over the edges, all you have to do is take some sandpaper and just go back and sand all that off the edges. It sands down perfectly smooth, just like this one did. So it's just that simple to get it on there. Okay, first one we're going to do is the owl. And I'm using some gold metallic paint. Use a makeup wedge because it's got that nice little flat surface there, and the little pointy part at the top is a perfect little handle to hold it. Apply the paint so that it's evenly, then just dab, dab, dab all over your stamp. I love Crackle stamps to go over the top of painted things. So let's see if we can get this on there, press it into place good. And then just kind of peel it back off the surface. And there you can see the gold crackled lines. Once that is dry and I put the sealer on it, the gold lines will actually pop off even a little more. Now they are going to show a little better on the plain surface that I didn't stain. So we'll see what we can make this one do. Same thing. You have to go back and apply your paint each time you stamp with a rubber stamp onto the surface. It's not like when you use inks and you could get 2 or 3 stampings out of one inking. When you use the paint, you really have to apply it each time. And that is just absolutely gorgeous. This is actually going to be an ornament. And if you'll notice it, everything got like the Crackle image on it, except right there at the top. So what I'm going to do is actually lay the stamp down, just put a little bit of paint, and then because I know the area that needs just that little bit, then see I can add that little bitty space up there that the stamp wasn't quite big enough to hold my entire piece. Then once that is dry, it will get some sealer. But in the meantime, I thought I had a toothbrush here. There we go. I will actually spatter this. I start with a damp toothbrush. I'm just kind of brush mixing some black and burnt umber paint here, and then I will add some spatters to this, and it will actually even create more dimension within the piece so that once I put the sealer on it, then that will be done.